Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something special and interesting. If you also want to create unique and beautiful nature-related images, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Point 2. Friends, I put in a lot of effort to create some nature-related prompts that will give you new and creative prompts every time you use them in ChatGPT. With these prompts, you can easily generate amazing images. Point 3 now, I'm going to show you how you can use the prompts I've created in ChatGPT. The process is very simple, and once you understand it, you'll be able to use it easily. Point 4. Every time you enter the prompts I've created into ChatGPT, you'll get a new and unique prompt that you can use according to your needs. Each time, a new prompt means a new and fantastic image. Point 5. Now let's see what kind of image gets generated on the Leonardo.ai website using the prompt created by ChatGPT. Point 6. Look at this, friends. What a beautiful and amazing nature-related image I got. It's truly wonderful, and it's all possible thanks to the specially designed prompts. Point 7. Remember, every time you use the prompts I've given you in ChatGPT, you get a new prompt. That means each time, you'll have a new and unique image in front of you. Point 8. You don't need to do much. Just note down the prompts I've created somewhere. Whenever you need to generate an image, paste it into ChatGPT and generate new prompts. Point 9. Friends, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you need prompts to generate other types of images, leave a comment below. Point 10. So, friends, this was today's video, where we learned how to create stunning nature-related images using ChatGPT and Leonardo.ai. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood it easily.